Hello, this is Yurat Abraham with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to find your descriptive statistics and your 5-number summary using Excel. First, we need to be sure we have the statistics or the data analysis add-in already installed. First, you're going to go to File. On File on the bottom, you're going to see Options. Click Options. And the Excel option menu, window pops up. You're gonna go to add-ins right here at the bottom, and then you're gonna go and click. Be sure it says Manage Excel Add-ins. So be sure you have that one in there, and then click Go. This window is gonna pop up, the add-ins, and here you guys, as you can see, I already have a check on Analysis 2-pack, and that's the one we need so we can do the statistics. Even here in the bottom it says Analysis 2-pack provides data analysis tools for statistical and engineering analysis. You guys will go ahead and hit OK, and when you go to data, right here you're gonna see it already on. I already have mine on, so that I believe nothing else will pop up after you do that. And I don't know if you need to restart Excel. I don't remember doing that. I don't believe that will happen. So anyway, so now that you have that, we're gonna go ahead and go to data analysis, and this window will pop up. Now we're gonna go to descriptive statistics, which I already have it selected, but because I used it recently. But in case you might have it like down here, so just be sure you scroll up and just look for descriptive statistics. We'll hit OK. Here on the first one, it's asking us for the input range. The input range is where you're gonna put your data. Okay, I'm gonna go and click that, or erase whatever's in there, and I'm gonna select my data. Okay, and I'm gonna click this little down menu thing again, and see it's already added to it. Be sure we have it in column if your data is in columns like mine's. Labels in first row. I don't have any labels on the first row on the first cell, so I'm gonna leave this unchecked. If you do have it, go and check it. What it's gonna do is gonna actually it's gonna recognize the first row, or the first cell in this case, that has the name or your labels, and it's gonna not count it as part of your statistics, your summary statistics. All right. And second up here is gonna ask you for your output range, or your output options. And the output options, we have output range, which you can actually, if you click that, you can actually like physically say, okay, I want that the answers to appear at this point right here. All right, and we click this again. Right here where it says new worksheet apply, it means it's gonna, if you select that, it's gonna have you put it in a new worksheet that you already have it in mind. If you select new workbook, if you select new worksheet, it's gonna appear in a new worksheet right here. A new tab is gonna appear, and you're gonna have a new worksheet. New workbook is gonna appear in a whole new workbook. That means a whole new Excel program, pretty much. Okay, I'm gonna keep it as output range where I selected. Right here at this option, it says summary statistics. That's the one we're looking for. Be sure you have that check on. These others are when you want to find your confidence level, your larger, and your smaller. And so this is what we're looking for. We hit OK, and there it goes. Let's double click here to make that. Let me do a little bit. There it goes. Okay. So here we have the mean, the standard error, the median, the mode, the standard deviation, the sample variance, the quartoise, skewedness, range, minimum, maximum, sum, and count, which how many data I have there. I have 40. Okay. And now, if you have selected that check mark that says first row uh, labels or has label, this column one will have that name on it. It will come up with, if I have, for example, put data, it will say data right here. Okay. Now, going to the 5-number summary. 5-number summary is really the mean, and let me the mean, the median, the minimum, the maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I'm one. I believe I'm doing one too many. I'm sorry. The 5-number summary is the minimum. Oh, I'm sorry. The mean is not part of the 5-number summary. I knew it. Okay. So it's the median, the minimum, and the maximum. However, you said to yourself, well, it's 5-number summary. I'm missing 2 more. That is correct. And you're missing the. Let me write down here. See. So I'm gonna do this, and yeah, we're missing the. This organized a little bit better here. The 5-number summary is the minimum. Then comes the first quartile. Then comes the medium. Then we have the also known as the second quartile. Then we have the third quartile. And then we have the maximum. Okay. So this is your 5-number summary. Okay. And let me make some space. There you go. So there we go. All right. So to find the minimum, we can get it from here, which is 1.6. The maximum we can also get from here, 9. And we have the median, 6.5. However, we don't have the first and third quartile. So this is the other way. This is how you can find another option to find these highlighted data information, but also how you can find the other ones. So the minimum, we can do the following: equals min, and notice how the little menu pops up. I'm gonna select that one. I'm gonna go and select my data, and I'm just gonna press enter. 1.6, and look, it matches with 1.6. Okay. The first, let's do the maximum, because the first and third is the same procedure. So I don't want to mess up with it. I don't want to keep going back and forth. The maximum is going to do equal, always the equal sign whenever you guys want to add up some sort of a syntax or mathematical operation. Max, there you go, double click. You select the data you want to find the maximum, press enter, and there goes 9. The median equals, there it goes, double click, select the data. Now you guys probably will notice it, but in the syntax it says number 1, comma number 2. Well, that's if you have 2 rows. I'm sorry, 2 columns. If you had 2 columns, you would do 1 column, comma, the other column. But that's just some other topics though. That's for some other video. Okay, so now the quartiles. We'll do the same thing. Let me go and extend this. There we go. The first quartile we're going to do equals quartiles. Okay, see how it says quartile X and quartile in? We're going to do the quartile X. That's X stands for exclusive, And we're gonna use the exclusive, excuse me, because that means that we're gonna include, we want to include all the numbers, including the number that is part of the first quartile as the quartile. Because the way it works is pretty much looking for the first 25% percentile of your data, and that's what it's really doing in the background. Okay, so we do that, then we're gonna do comma, and notice how array pretty much is asking for the data or your list of data. Quart, when I press type in comma, it gives me the option for quart. Quart is talking about these options right here. We're doing the first one, first quartile. Number 1, enter. Okay, and then we're doing for the third one, we're gonna do the same thing. Equals quartile exclusive. Select the data, and be careful not to select any labels or words or names, titles, comma, and we're gonna do the third one because we already have the medium. Okay, just be aware when you got selected. Notice that when you are selected, the first one seems like it's in white. However, the rest of the data is highlighted in gray. That still includes the first one. This does not mean that the first one has not been selected, because many people are getting confused with that. Okay, all right, so see what else. Just double check out my notes, see if everything's good. First quartile, okay. Medium, good. Third quartile, okay. All right, cool. I think, oh, yeah, good thing I have more notes, my notes, so I can be sure I don't forget anything. Now, some people, if you want to find the IQR using this Excel, IQR, um, it's really the Q3 minus the Q1. Let me see if there's a formula, because I don't think there's one. IQR, because, yeah, see, there's no formula for that one. Or they call that intermediate. See, there's no, they have the intercept formula. All right, so because I don't have a formula, we're gonna have to just do our own little formula. So I'm gonna do equal, select the third quartile, minus, select the first quartile, enter. That means that the 7.8575 minus 5.025, it gives me 2.85. Now, if I select again the IQR, and I select the formula at the formula bar, my formula, you'll see that the I9 got the color is now in color blue. The I7 color have changed to color red, and that matches with the cells right here, blue and red. So that's when it helps you, to know, okay, which is, where's those cells coming from or data coming from. Okay, well, I hope that this helped you guys out, and please comment below and subscribe. Ideas, subscribe for comment on ideas, suggestions, because I want to improve my videos. I want to improve my channel. Okay. All right. So thank you and have a good day. Bye.